Wait, shh. Stop what you're doing.
Oh.
Okay, I said stop what you're doing. It's some more time. Guys, it's me, Marvin Kaisha Yupachag. And my name is Marvin Christian Yupachag. And my name is Rendell Steffi. And welcome back to Mimi's channel. And today we're going to be making slime. Let's go. Come on, let's go make some slime.
Hi guys!
Welcome back to Mimi's channel.
May bata.
Hey, we're gonna make slime, okay? Add some borax. Mine's already done. I'm kneading it. So we just started. Who wants to add some borax to me? Can you add some more borax to mine? Just one scoop? Me too. Pag sticky,
Pag sticky, kailangan pa ng borax.
konti.
Okay, kailangan pa ng konti.
Mine's turning to one na. Hindi mag-activate. Kailangan baking soda kasama ang contact lens solution. Kasi pag baking soda lang, pwede niya i-activate pag melted slime. Katulad na shaving cream kasi meron yung pag naglagay ka ng shaving cream sa slime, tsaka naglagay ka na... How do you even... Mine's turning to sun na. Okay lang yan. Pupunasan yan mamaya. How do you even... How to knead it? Mine's forming. But then you added too much borax! It's gonna overactivate.
Dapat ito yung pinanghalo
Totally.
ko.
And I'm gonna need the food.
So sticky.
And jiggle.
Do you want to...
It's not jiggly.
No.
How do you...
What?
Just do this. Because lalagyan ng borax dito tsaka i-clean up. Can you add some borax to me? Please? A little bit only. Here. Ups. For you later! Just keep mixing.
Ha?
Making what?
Wow.
Making what?
Pwede na namin hawakan.
Hindi pa. Kaya sticky. Kung gusto nyo. Pero lalagyan yung borax kamay nyo para hindi dumikit.
Your fork is plastic, so how
Here,
can it?
use.
Hi.
Hey, you're
I
here.
just want to know. Can you teach me how to make?
Add glue and borax. A little bit. Bit by bit.
Yeah.
So no activity? Want to touch it? No! You wait for myself. No. I did dito lang.
Ay, sayang.
Ow, here. I did the crack. Oh. This is how you make bubbles. And can we add some glitter now? What?
I'm turning into a grandpa.
In the
No, I want to tell you
morning.
something. This is fluffy.
Oh!
Yay!
Good.
This is gonna make. Wait, I want to say something.
Ah.
I want to say. Listen. Wait. Shh. Stop what you're doing.
Wow.
Okay, I said stop what you're doing. It's some more time. Crackalackle? Don't mind my day. Your turn. Your slime's turn, Tita. Mimi. It's on your finger. Stuck on your finger. So glossy.
Wow!
Pati ang slime turn. Give me your slime. Here's his slime. Very chunky.
No! No! No!
What's that weird thing in there? Touch it. Look. Parang mayroong something.
Bye!
Hilig ka ba sa bulaklak?
Mm-hmm.
Nope. Nope.
Tanong ka na, pate.
Marunong ka ba mag-slime? Yes. Tama siya. Tama siya. Tingnan mo lang.
So, bago matapos tong video na to, shout out muna kay Joseph Tabolina and sabi ni Archie Elemento, shout out po kay Bless Lagan.
That is for today's video. Thank you so much. Make sure to comment below if you want another one. That's it. I really hope I see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye!
Peace.
One more.